We are departing major checkpoint mode. Now we're on the plus 66. Columns in front of us. Off we go. Our first train ride this morning. Passing signal box. There's a steam ready to sort itself out. I smell steam. Beware of the trains. This sounds fun actually. It's £1 a ride. Or £3 for the whole day. Every first Sunday of every month. That's why we're going to go the opposite way. He's turning the table to do the diesel the other way around, so the 66 can go past us. There it goes.
Today is what I can get in the canteen. There's a cake and coffee or...
I do nice bread pudding here. Oh, we're off, we're off, we're off. I'll swap seats, guys, to get you a good view. That's why I sat in this position. Off we go. We should turn right, I think. And here it comes.
Oh, it's now.
Oh, with a spoon.
Dead spot.
Oh. There we go, we're going to get hooked up. We're off. Oh, we're changing tracks. We're changing tracks. I smell a steam from here. Got some more seats on your way back. 5 minutes was a full service last time. Let's see how it is today. We're off. Missed the hoot, but we're off. The real railway's over there, by the way. It's literally situated near a railway station, which is pretty epic. Stay seated though.
Please remain on the train for a moment.
Huh? Get no money's worth.